Look at this beautiful baby. Aw, I'm sorry. She's scared. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. We're getting our Chihuahua fix while I'm away from home. Seth is on some BS about the Ravens. Go figure.
Hi, everybody. In, what is it, 14 years? How many do the Browns have?
The Browns have none. Yeah. I come from a losing culture. Hi, everybody. We're in Washington, D.C. We're crossing the street like a bunch of responsible, safe people, because I'm stupid. SneakerCon day one is today. We're going to go to the venue eventually. I'm trying to keep my camera steady there. Seth is from close to here, so he's kind of familiar with D.C. I am not familiar with D.C. at all. But we're still gonna explore. So, anything you want to see today, Seth? I caught him mid-drink. Okay, let's stop doing this now. They just opened up the doors. What?
I thought that was you for a second, but it's
nope.
Not Chris. It looked like you from behind a little bit.
Who, me?
The flannel.
You thought that somebody that wasn't me looked like me, even though you're standing next to me?
A little bit.
Seth's drunk, everybody. So Seth and I have been walking around trying to find steals and deals. I think he's got 200. He's gonna see how far 200 goes. I have some cash on me. We'll see if anything happens. I do have a shoe in mind that I'm trying to maybe get. I don't think the amount of money I have is gonna be suffice to get it, but whatever. We're here for another like day and 3/4, so let's make the most of it. So this is my first time seeing these in person. So for everyone that knows SBs, the liner is a lot different than a lot of the more recent releases. It's completely old school, which is really, really cool. It's got a fat tongue, jewel swoosh. Interesting shoe. Still not a fan. It is now 3:35, and here's the stage. Needless to say, the panel has not happened yet, so I don't know.
What's up, everybody? I'm Seth Fowler here with SB Mitch. He's gonna look into a mystery box and tell us about mystery box, I guess.
Hi, we're back at SneakerCon day 2. It's me and Seth.
Back at it like that.
Like what? Go ahead.
Like
go ahead.
Tony
Go ahead.
says.
What are you gonna say? No. We just rode scooters on the way here. What do you think of the scooters?
Bird was the word, dude.
Bird up.
Bird up.
If you guys haven't checked out Seth's vlog from yesterday, please do. He picked up a pair of SBs because I'm a bad influence.
You're the SB snitch.
I might try and pick something up today. We'll see what happens.
Is it this way or is it through there?
I think it's down.
Oh, it's down.
Down. Awesome. And then we're going to take some B-roll. I'm going to give out some stickers. And I'm going to make people uncomfortable because that's kind of my thing. So let's do it.